If your instructor has assigned an annotation assignment in your course, you can access the document simply by looking for the link to load the annotation. The annotation will either appear in the window with the assignment, or it might be set to open in a new window. Look for the document link on the assignment page and click that link when you are ready to complete the annotation assignment. From the annotation page, you can view the instructions again or refer to them at any point. When you're ready to post an annotated comment, you have two options. You can choose the highlight tool to simply find a place in the document, highlight the text you want to highlight, and choose the option to add a new comment. You can choose a unique color for your comment, and your name will be reported along with the date and time that you made the comment. We're going to discard those. You can also use the locator tool to post a comment. Find a place in the document where you want to post a comment and add a locator point. The comment option will load and you can post your comment. To navigate through the document, you can use the Move tool to drag across pages. You can use the page arrows at the top of the document to move between pages or load a specific page. You can also use the scroll bar. You can view any posted comments in the right pane. To reply, click their comment and choose the option to reply.